Okay, come on down.
Go on, Charlie. Yeah, let's go. Go on. Go on.
Oh my.
Okay, Charlie.
Get.
Holy crap.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Oh, I'm still getting it.
Think he's showing off?
Yeah.
Hi, look at you.
That's all this attention.
Look at you up in the tree. Oh, no, don't go up that one.
Oh, you
Holy
gotta go
crap.
higher if you can.
Movie star.
I can't watch this.
That's gonna jump up on the bottom that time. That's unusual. Well, it's only going up. I couldn't believe it.
Charlie.
He's
Bugsy, crazy dog, ain't he? What are you doing, Charlie? Come on. Hey. Charlie. What are you doing?
What? Me?
You
Don't jump.
up there.
He's gonna jump.
Oh, there.
He's down in the hole. What is that?
Does he like lizards?
Oh, he loves lizards. He goes chasing them. He don't do nothing when he gets them. He just paws them around like.
Oh, but it's fun to catch them.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, Charlie, you're gonna be
Come on,
you're gonna
Charlie.
be a movie
Yep.
star.
Yep. Let's go. Go on. Charlie. Go on. Let's go. Come on.
Oh no.
Come on.
No. Golly.
Man, that's
Back up there. There he goes. Come on, Charlie. Hey, yep. Charlie.
now he smells the turtle eggs. Ah, dang it.
Come here. Come here. Right here. Go on. Come on. Come on.
No problem now.
Get it. Watch it. Where's the squirrel? Where's the squirrel? Get it.
Look at it. Golly.
You getting this?
Yes, I am. You better get up.
Shit.
You better get up under.
Charlie, come here.
If he goes
Charlie.
Play. No,
Charlie.
you gotta get up underneath
Charlie,
him.
Come here.
Get up underneath him in case he falls, please.
Come on. Yep. Come on, get down. Come on. Come on, that's enough.
Golly.
You're making me nervous. Come
No,
on.
Charlie, come on down. Charlie. Want
Holy
cookie?
cow, he was up there.
Charlie, come here.
Come on, Charlie. Charlie. Hey, we're laughing. Come on. No.
No.
Charlie.
Come on down.
Here. Come on, let's go.
Come. Phew.
That didn't make me nervous.
Oh my God! I gotta show how tall this tree is.
He was way up there.
That's too high.
Oh my God! How tall you think that is?
What do you think, 20 foot?
Oh yeah.
Holy crap!
Easily.
Charlie the Wonder Dog. Okay.
Well, see,